Good morning. Thank you for being with us. Today I'm going to be posting this video to both of my YouTube channels, Rolling in the Magic and WX4AR Radio World. Today we're going to do something unusual for both channels, so stand by and come along for the ride. This morning we're going to be doing the unboxing of the new Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max. This is the 256 gigabyte model. Okay, first off we're going to open the box up. That's one little thing. There's one on the bottom. That's two. Oh, and this is the deep purple color. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? All right, now what comes in the box? Of course, the phone and a charging cable. There's no longer a SIM key because the new phones do not have a removable SIM card. They're electronic SIM cards. That should be interesting setting this up. All right, let's take the cover, protective cover off. And there she is. Okay, I know this is backwards to you, and I will flip them around in a moment, but let's get these set up. First off, let's open up my old iPhone XR. Okay, that's there. And let's go ahead and start the new iPhone 14 Pro Max. Put my glasses on so I can see. Hello. All right, let's go ahead and swipe up. We are going to pick English, the United States, and up here says set up new iPhone. Continue. Turn these around now so you can see better. All right, now I need to do is take my old phone and put it over the new one so it can read that there's a new phone coming. All right, let me turn this around. Set up new iPhone. Set up for me. It gives you the option of either setting up for yourself or to create a new child account. Even though I'm a child at heart, we're still going to go with set up for me. Now the new phone is now asking for the passcode to come in to get into the old phone. I'm not going to show you that. All right, again, I'm going to turn these my way so I can see what I'm doing. This may take a few minutes to activate. Oh, and before I set this up this morning, I made sure I had the latest iOS on my old phone. A little coffee in the morning. Activating eSIM and connecting phone to AT&T cellular network. This may take a few minutes. All right, I'm going to come back when it's a little further along. Okay, now it's asking whether I want to download from the cloud or to transfer from my old phone. I'm just going to directly transfer it from the old phone. Turn this around again so I can read it. Just terms and condition. I agree. Make this your new iPhone. And yes, I'll hit continue. Message and FaceTime, continue. Emergency SOS, which is really neat. It has crash detection. Software update 16.03, and it wants to download and install. I will do that. I'm sure that will take a few minutes, so I'll get back to you when that is finished. Okay, the new iOS has been downloaded, and as you can see, on the old phone it says transferring data to iPhone, and on the new one it says transferring data from Bill's iPhone. Now it's waiting to give me approximate time remaining, and when it is all done, I'll come back. Okay, as you can see, everything transferred over. It took about 25 minutes or so, not too bad. And if you notice, it's exactly the same. Everything's the same. Now currently, the new iPhone is still downloading the different apps. That'll take a little bit of time to do. But all in all, that's it. We're done. I may have to add in some new passwords and stuff. I'm not sure about that. We'll have to wait and see, but it looks good. Okay, well, that will conclude this video. Thank you for joining me, and hopefully we'll be setting up some new content soon. So have a nice day, and thank you. Bye for now.